In this video, I will show how to change column names from alphabets to numbers. File, Options. Now click on this formulas and working with formulas. Select this one, R1C1. Change the way Excel formulas refer to cells. Instead of using letters for columns and numbers for rows, this option enables using numbers for both rows and columns. Cells are then referred to in this format R1C1. So select it and then OK. So we can see both one are row and column in numbers. To remove this setting, again same options, formulas and unselect R1C1. Then click on OK. So this way you can change column name from alphabet to numbers. Thanks for watching.